62 at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Numbers matching 427, 390 horse, and listen to this, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front chrome. Nose of the car. This is an original silver pearl paint car. 986AA would be your paint code. Of course, St. Louis built. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan too. That's included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see that paint on there. Practically looks wet, looks like glass. Definitely shows well. Torque thrust style American racing wheels. Disc brakes, all 4 corners. And who doesn't love the side pipes on the C2s? Standard black vinyl interior. 4-speed manual transmission. Paired up with that numbers matching 427. Black vinyl top, I believe it was. We're going to put that up at the end. Check it out, take a close look at that, see the condition of it. I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear of it. Also, nice shape. Has a power antenna. Power antenna is working, as well as the radio, the wipers, the horn, telescopic wheel. And once again, you can see that paint definitely shows well. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy, third-party inspectors. Can't make it yourself to take a peek at this one, maybe due to time or distance. Not a problem. Third-party inspectors welcome here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As we look down the driver's side, really free of any major nicks, stings, or scratches. And how about this interior? Door panels. It looks pretty stock on the interior. Seat's in nice shape. Be a seatbelt tag. It's on it, so kind of through some of the restoration. Some of the original tags. I noticed the owner's manual in the glove box and some other things will go along with this car. So seats in nice shape. There's that telescopic wheel, and again, radio working, power antenna. I even noticed the clock was working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Tachometer working. Battery cage, fuel. Water temp, that was a cold start, so I want to assume that to be up. Oil pressure. And there's that clock. See the second hand going. You can see the antenna behind me here. I'll show you that maybe real quick. So antenna working. Radio. Let's take a little peek over the hood. You'll see the headlights come up too. Looks like headlights working. Oh, you're gonna love the sound of that. Alright, let's get this hood popped. Check that out. We'll put the top up too so you can see the condition of that. So we do have a hood release. There it is. And again, numbers matching. 427, 390 horse. You'll be able to see the stamped pad in the still pictures, suffix code, VIN, everything on that stamped pad. And you'll also be able to see the VIN tag as well as the data tag, paint codes, and build date, such. And again, you can see factory AC, power steering, power brakes. What a great looking engine bay. And then again, headlights flipped up when we were inside the car and turned them on. All right, I'm going to button everything back up. We'll get this convertible top up, check out the condition of that, and then don't forget, there'll be a little driving video at the end too, so you kind of basically take like a virtual ride in this car, see how it goes down the road. All right, and here the top is up. So black vinyl top. The little bit I've been around, it looks about like new. Nice fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side glass, you get an idea of that. Perfect fit there too, especially for an older convertible. Rear window, nice and clear. Nice fit. The body lines back here with the supple rubber on there. Great fit. And passenger side glass. No real wear areas, and like I said, definitely no rips, tears, holes. Very nice shape, like new shape. 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. God, I love that Stinger hood. Real deal, numbers matching, 427, 390 horse, 4-speed manual. Remember, nicely equipped, steering, brakes, AC. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Stick around just a bit longer. You'll be able to see what it's kind of like to ride down a little virtual ride in this beautiful silver pearl Corvette.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible in a beautiful silver and black color. Very healthy rumble to the exhaust in this Corvette. Very good acceleration in this Corvette.
Payments as low as $149 a month and AC.
Factory radio is working well. Our fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of a tank. Battery is charging above the halfway point. Water is approximately 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and the oil pressure is showing about 70 pounds. The factory clock right in the middle, the minute hand is ticking. It's a very good condition Corvette, inside and out. Very good throttle response in this car. A lot of earlier cars are harder for a tall person to fit in. This is fitting me well. I'm 6'1", not overly tall, but I do fit well in this car.